security has been stepped up outside Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone's Mumbai residence after the actor received a threatening voice note on WhatsApp. The message reportedly demanded a ransom of 10 crore rupees, putting not just the couple but the entire Bollywood fraternity on high alert. Armed guards were seen stationed around Ranveer's neighborhood, leaving many residents worried. As the investigation continues, police suspect the possible involvement of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. Sources say the threat may be linked to extortion. According to sources, the Mumbai Police Crime Branch has launched a detailed probe. Officials are examining digital trails and intelligence inputs to identify who is behind the voice note. Reports also suggest that Ranveer and Deepika have deployed 6 armed security personnel to guard their home. Sources further revealed that heightened security has caused concern within the housing society. The managing committee approached the Dadar police station and wrote, "Since these armed guards are frequently moving with weapons in common areas such as the lobby, gymnasium, and children's play area, the society managing committee has expressed serious concern regarding the safety and comfort of other residents." This development comes amid previous security scares in the industry. Recently, 5 rounds were fired outside filmmaker Rohit Shetty's Juhu residence, leaving visible bullet marks. The suspects fled the scene, and senior police officials along with crime branch teams reached shortly after the incident was reported. Shubham Lonkar, a member of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, took responsibility for the firing and has been absconding since. Police have arrested 5 men in connection with that case. Meanwhile, Ranveer is also dealing with professional pressures, including a reported clash with Farhan Akhtar's Excel Entertainment over Dawn 3, while preparing for the release of Dhurandhar 2. As investigations continue, all eyes remain on Mumbai police for further updates in this high-profile case. Just a day after addressing alleged rumors and chatter about trouble in his marriage, Govinda and his wife Sunita Ahuja seem to be sending a different message, and this time, it's a hopeful one. Hours after Govinda expressed that he hopes their marriage works out, Sunita shared something special on social media. She posted a rare old photograph featuring herself, Govinda, and his late mother Nirmala Devi. The emotional throwback quickly grabbed attention online. In the caption, Sunita wrote, "Good old days will be back soon, Jai Mata Di." She also added the romantic track, Meri Duniya Hai, by Sonu Nigam and Kavita Krishnamurthy from the 1999 film Vastav, The Reality, making the post even more meaningful. Their daughter Tina Ahuja added to the warmth by dropping red heart emojis in the comments section, showing love and support for her parents. Sunita's post came shortly after Govinda spoke about her publicly. Addressing her frequent temple visits, he joked, "If she keeps sitting at home, she'll keep giving interviews. So, it's good that she should step out, pray for us, and not say to God that we are not getting along." Despite past allegations and ongoing rumors, Govinda shared that he still hopes their marriage will work out sooner or later. He also opened up about his career choices and how Sunita reacts to his work. Govinda said, "People tell me I don't want to do anything except hero roles. So, what did I do in Kill Dil? I played a villain. What did I do in Happy Ending? I played a comedian." Sunita also says you eat up all your roles and don't let anyone else get to the top. "That I'm very much a planner like that." I ask her, "Why do you say that? I do all kinds of work. I did what you asked me to. What happened then?" This industry can't be linked to any caste or sect. You should talk to everyone in the language they get. argued Govinda. Once a leading star of Hindi cinema in the 1990s, Govinda has not delivered a major hit in recent years. He later shifted to supporting roles in films like Kill Dil and Happy Ending, and was last seen playing a double role in Rangila Raja in 2019. For now, fans are left wondering, could this be the start of a new chapter for Govinda and Sunita? Only time will tell. Bollywood's security scare is getting bigger and more serious. After Ranveer Singh, Salman Khan's close associate has now received a threatening email demanding crores of rupees. The sender has reportedly claimed links to the jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi gang. According to sources, the Mumbai crime branch has stepped in and is actively investigating the case. Police are currently tracking mobile locations of suspects near the homes of several celebrities. Authorities have also increased security, and the investigation is ongoing, Mumbai police sources confirmed. This latest threat once again brings attention to Salman Khan's long-standing feud with the Bishnoi gang. The conflict dates back to 1998, during the shooting of Hum Saath Saath Hai. Salman allegedly went on a hunting trip and hunted a black buck, an animal considered sacred by the Bishnoi community. Gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, who is currently in jail, had earlier publicly declared that it was the goal of his life to either make Salman apologize for the act or kill him. Meanwhile, on Tuesday, actor Ranveer Singh also received a threatening WhatsApp voice note demanding crores of rupees in ransom, police said. Following the threat, Mumbai police immediately stepped up security outside the 40-year-old actor's residence and began tracing the sender. Police believe the threat may be an extortion attempt, possibly linked to members of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. Ranveer was last seen in the blockbuster Dhurandhar. The Mumbai crime branch has now launched a formal investigation into both cases. What's more alarming is that this comes just days after gunshots were fired at filmmaker Rohit Shetty's house in Juhu, Mumbai. On 1st February, the Lawrence Bishnoi gang took responsibility for the attack and even posted about it on social media. With repeated threats, gunfire incidents, and high-profile targets, Mumbai police remain on high alert as the investigation continues. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. Bollywood fashionista Sonam Kapoor is glowing, and for a beautiful reason. The actress, who is all set to become a mommy again, recently shared a heartfelt glimpse of her Seemantonayan ceremony, calling it an emotional and deeply meaningful experience. Taking to Instagram, Sonam posted a reel surrounded by her closest family and friends. The celebration saw the presence of Anil Kapoor, Arjun Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Shabana Azmi, Khushi Kapoor, Masaba Gupta, Anupam Kher, Sanjay Kapoor and many more. Explaining the significance of the ritual, Sonam wrote, Seemantonayan, the third of the 16 sacred sanskars in Sanatan Dharma, often called the hair parting ritual, it honors the mother and the life she carries. Known as God Bharai, Shrimant, Dole Jeevan, Shad, Seemantham, Valaikappu, Seemantha, Pulikkudi and Sadbhakshan across different parts of India, the names may change, but the blessing remains the same: love, protection and celebration of new life. The ceremony is special in many ways. Traditionally, the husband parts the expecting mother's hair, symbolizing prayers for the healthy development of the baby, the mother's mental well-being, and protection from negative energies. For Sonam, the ritual became even more memorable because of the people around her. She shared, "This ancient ritual felt even more meaningful because all my best friends in the world showed up for me. My whole family did too. I felt so held. And to my mom, my mother-in-law, and my sister, thank you for organizing everything and making me feel so deeply loved, cherished, and celebrated. I will never forget this. A lap full of blessings. A heart overflowing with gratitude." It was in November 2025 that Sonam announced she was expecting her second child. She shared a stunning photo of herself in a striking hot pink pure wool suit with oversized padded shoulders, lovingly holding her baby bump. The caption simply read, "Mother." Sonam married businessman Anand Ahuja in May 2018 in a grand ceremony. The couple welcomed their first child, a baby boy named Vayu, in August 2022. And now, as they prepare to welcome another bundle of joy, it's clear this journey is filled with love, tradition, and heartfelt blessings.